Hello and good day, traders. Hope you are enjoying the weekend. Now I'm going to analyze AUD USD. First of all, if we this is for the new viewer who are viewing for the first time. So this was ranging for a long time. If you can see the range, this is basically the range in monthly time frame. This was the bottom which created this top. This top was created this bottom. Again, this top has been created, and this bottom still we cannot declare it as the still we have a 1 week to go in November. This guy. So we are in 25th November, another 5 days to go. So until then, this remains as it is. We cannot declare a double bottom here. Anyhow, coming back here, we measured the top and bottom here, just marking the range, and the 50% of that is here. And I would like, I missed something last week. I would like to update you guys on that, there is a double top here in monthly, which I couldn't analyze properly. So let's mark it right now, and I beg your pardon for that. So it is a red zone. It's a double top in monthly. And this double top, considering this double top, if we do, let's put this middle of the range in dotted line so we don't get lost in translation. And if we measure that this double top, let's mark the double top properly. This double top, if we see this double top, this guy and this guy, where is the other guy? Yes, this double top. Okay, to form a double top we need green red. So we have a double top here, and these two guys form the double top. Okay, so if we measure the double top right now, the depth of the double top based on double top, the market has came down to this place. But before we measure this one, this will not be the right thing to do, because we don't have the end of month before 30th June, 30th November. We cannot declare that, so we need to take this guy in consideration. And this is 50%, so we are going to mark the 50% of our double top at the moment, and we will put it as dashed line. So this is our 50% on monthly range. And one more thing, on monthly range, please watch out that this is creating a lower low, then higher low, and higher low. So the market is getting bullish slowly, if you guys can see. And that confirmation will be made when this monthly candles, maybe next month or in the month of January, maybe it will be able to break this area, this area. If you like to see, this is the thing. If it breaks this gap, already it has broken this previous month, and the month of October and September, but this is a confirmation that the market is getting bullish again. So let's leave the monthly area time frame now. Let us go to weekly, and you can see we have marked previously the same thing in weekly. But the mistake I made, if you have the same double top in weekly and monthly, the precedency of the double top will be on higher time frame, not in lower time frame. So considering that rule or law, we can disregard the weekly double top. We have to remove this and remove this, and we have to remove this. We have to consider the monthly double top. Let us bring it back here properly so we can visualize everything what is going on. Mark the double top in monthly, and its range, let's say its range is something like there is not range, this is the time, what you say, the price zone we have here, and we should also mark so we can see it in weekly time frame. So let's mark this also in weekly, daily, or the, let's mark it. Do the same on the top side. Sorry guys, I need to show you things, but I have to do the things at the same time, so nothing is left behind. Yes, it is done. So we remove the weekly double top because the monthly double top and weekly double top are in the same price zone, but the precedency of monthly double top is much higher, and we act based on the double top of the monthly, not the lower time frame of weekly. Now if you come back and see here now, concentrating on weekly, we don't have any double bottom at the moment. Can you guys see? No double bottom. We don't have any double bottom at all in this place. And here the key information we can take from here is that it has broken a major structure. Can you guys see? In weekly time frame, it went up, it came down, it went up, and it broke that structure last week. And this is a very powerful candle. Once it breaks the structure, then it intends to be bullish, more bullish than bearish, or in technical term we can say it is bullish bias now more. And again, if we based on the same thing, if we need to remove this, and we have to activate the monthly half also. So let's go and activate this guy also in all time frame. So in weekly we have the half here, weekly time frame, but it is from monthly, as we have to say. So this is the key information we have in weekly time frame, that it has broke a major structure. Can you see guys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles. It has broken that structure, and that is a major thing to consider here. Coming back today, we have a lot of things going on here, so I would like to remove one by one so we can make the chart clean. Last week I have given this lead. I hope you made some money out of it. Go long after retesting, limit order after retesting 0.6515, stop loss will be 0.6490, and I was expecting it to come here, honestly speaking, but it failed, and also I want that the price will so show some reaction in this particular zone, this red rectangle zone, and it did. So let's clean up a little so we can visualize more for what is happening. And I also told the very clearly the chances of getting bearish is very much less, so I put the dotted leg here. Let me remove that too. Now in day time frame, it was clear that let me remove some of this so you guys can no, not that one. Let me remove some of these things so you guys can understand things more easily. Okay, and also remove some of the things so things will be easy on your part to make it clear. Let's remove last week and this was the price reaction. I told you guys that it will break out like with the green and something like this. So let's remove all these things now so we can see what can be done or where we can take a trade in next week. So exactly, we have a gap in day time frame, a handle, quite clear, a handle, and we have a double bottom here in 4 hours time frame. Here is the double bottom. You can see this red, small red opposite candle in a bullish trend, and that created this double top, double bottom here, and it pushed the market here. And as I mentioned last week that we are expecting that the depth of the gap is like this. If you guys see, this is the depth of the gap, so we expecting this to be somewhere here, but it didn't reach half. You guys see, I think I have drawn it a little bit. I have drawn it a little bit higher. This is the half. Okay, so this is the half, and anything happens like up and handle, we expect at least the market to go to half. So still I think we have a room, let's see, let's remove these guys. We don't need these things anymore at the moment. We don't need these things for analysis. It break out from here, so this is a very big good zone. The market can came back, and why I will explain it a little bit later. Let us concentrate here. So this is the half. Now if you guys see that this half, once this reaches this half, it will open the door for another 4-hour time frame. If you guys see that there can be no, it is okay, there is no reaction of the price here. I don't hope so. Let's go to day time frame. So here if it breaks this area, and gets bullish, it will reach half ultimately, and there will be no issue. However, there is a big issue if we reach this area. Let me minimize this area. Okay guys, if we reach this area, because it will open the zone for a double top in the time frame. So let's draw it so we can use it as a future reference, but I am putting it in black, not in blue, so we can understand there is something here going to happen if the price reaches here. So let's black it, make it black. Hold on, this is the area. Yes. So, and if you measure the whole depth of the cup here, it is almost in 75% zone. Okay, and at the same time, let me check something which is more important. Yes, it is available on it. If we go to month, do we have anything? Yes, guys, watch out this. Not only this is going to open a daily double top, it will open the door for a monthly double top also. Red, green, red, and if it comes here, and we will see some price reaction. Believe me guys, here you will see some downside price reaction. So be careful if the price reaches here. I want to mark it, because I'm not going to put it in daily, rather on monthly. So because I told you earlier that in monthly time frame, if we have same double top or double bottom pattern in two or three different time frame, we will take the higher time frame, not the lower. So this guy, you see, this is the same. It is not available in week. Can you guys see? It is nothing here in week, but in daily also we can see it will react from here. You see the daily and also the monthly now. So in my suggestion, plain and simple, wait for some price action here. To be honest with you, wait for at least 8 hours to see on Monday what is going on here. And if it breaks out from here, maybe it will come a little bit low, but not this low. It will not come here, because it went up, broken this zone, then came back, taken out this liquidity and fair value gap, then it is started going bullish, and now it is testing this price zone in 4 hours time frame, honestly speaking. So second thing, it will come 50%. I will not say exactly here, but this red half of this will be tested, and once it breaks out here, this is the here, and that's it. Up to that level I can see. After that I cannot see, because I don't think it is professionally advisable to say anything about this zone, because this is a very powerful zone. It has in day as well as I have shown it. This is in month also. Can you guys see also? So if the price comes out here, and let me enable that, so you understand that very clearly. Okay, let's go to my monthly. You see, if the price comes here, then it will open the door for a monthly double top. So that's for the bullish side, but however, in bearish side, I am thinking. But I honestly speaking, in my opinion, at least this should go half of this depth of the cup. And I don't suggest any bearish trade at the moment. I mean, shorting or selling at the moment. I don't suggest. I don't think there is any scope of that. However, if it gets bearish, there is a chance. Of course, the market has its own pulse, own rhythm, but I don't think less than this short will be there. I don't think. This is my opinion. You do your own analysis and calculation, but for the time being. So wait, let's see that if it breaks to take a trade. If I do take a trade, or how should I take a trade here? Hold on, let me see. If I take a trade, I will take the trade here. So to assign the trade, what color we can use? Let's use this guy. Okay. So to take a trade, I will suggest to take a trade here, which is, if I do that, it is 6537, 06537. So what is my text? Yes. Go long oblique by 0. What I am writing. Go long. Why I am getting so long? Go long. Finish by 0.6540, and stop loss should be, I think this is the last area we should consider. 25 will be fine. A little bit more, 0.6520. Take profit will be, in my opinion, I will take profit in this area. 6662, maybe conservatively here 6648, something like this. 0.6648. And if you define it correctly, you can divide it in take profit 1, and if we go for take profit 2, we can do it 0. Why we should go this area? This is the area. Yes, 0.67, not more than 10. So take profit 2 is a little bit fading here, so far I understand, but okay, it will do the job. So this is the opinion I have, and trade lead so far I can understand. Please make your own analysis, do your analysis all the time, because the more you do your own analysis, the way you will see things will open your eyes to new doors, new avenue. Please do make the risk management. Be careful. Don't blow out your account. Don't put heavy things on one trade. Never put your eggs in a single basket, all your eggs. So that's it for AUD USD, and if it reaches here within Wednesday, I will respond with a new video, though I have promised previously, but I didn't because my health issue didn't allow me. So I will try my level best this week. Take care. Bye. Bye bye. Happy trading.